Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2110 code? This code means the throttle actuator control system has forced the engine to operate at limited RPM as a safety measure. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may not accelerate properly and will feel stuck at a certain RPM limit. P2110 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, Forced Limited RPM. In simple terms, the acua has detected a fault in the throttle system and has restricted engine RPM to protect the engine and ensure safe operation. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, limited engine RPM, poor acceleration, vehicle stuck in limp mode, and restricted top speed. In many cases, you may also see a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the acua and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning for additional trouble codes because P2110 is usually triggered along with other throttle or sensor-related issues. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check the accelerator pedal position sensor and throttle position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or sticking. If any component is faulty, it may need repair or replacement. Finally, fix the root cause sensor, wiring, or throttle body issue, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty parts, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear all codes, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2110 on time will restore normal engine RPM, smooth acceleration, and safe driving performance.